Hello and welcome to this video. In this video, we are going to be considering the work program or program of work using Microsoft Project Professional. And so you can see what we have right here. These are the tasks and the subtasks successfully in the chart as it's been arranged as schedule. Okay, as you can see over here, the task name and the direction, the start and the finished table right here successfully. So in this video, I want to actually show us how you can print this program of works successfully, including the chart. Okay, because there are ways of printing this successfully, so you can be able to get the all information you have on this chart. So if you don't follow that method of printing, you may not necessarily see the chart. The chart may be mixing, which will not be nice. All right. So in printing work program of this kind using Microsoft Project, you will have to take note of the starting date and the finishing date. That is what we use in printing the work program successfully. Okay, so now I want to print this, so I will have to navigate to the file menu. So I go to the file menu, I select right there. Okay, so I come down to where I have print options, I click on that print options. All right, so this I have set actually, which I'm going to be explaining what I set right here. So you can start from, okay, number of copies we want to print. If you want to print 2 copies for this, I'm printing only 1 copy, so I have 1 right there. Okay, so I come to the printer. So the printer is going to be PDF. It's going to be created in PDF successfully. All right, so after which I will actually get to the settings right there. You see this provisional settings, so print specific dates. Okay, so you have to make sure if you click here, you can see options here. Okay, print entire project options, print specific dates. All right, print specific page. All right, so you have to use print specific date options. Okay, this is very important in printing a work program of this kind. All right, so after which you come over here and then you key in the starting date. All right, and as well as the finishing date successfully. Once you key in the right date you used over here, it is going to bring this to view and then bring it to a very clear visibility. All right, as you print it out successfully. So for instance, if I select in these provisions and then you see I have March right there. If I take this to maybe January, right, just like let me say I select 3 or the 3rd of January, right? Here you can see some part of the chart right there is actually mixing, right? Because I've gone below the finishing date. Okay, the finishing date is March, right? March 2024. So I have to get back there. So I get to February, I get to March right there. So I can decide to use maybe 2nd or 3rd of March. Okay, so I'll select maybe 3rd of March right there. So you can see that it's been adjusted here. So I can decide to actually take it down to 1st of March to have it well arranged successfully. Okay, so if you select on it right here, it's going to zoom just like this. Okay, you see the way it is actually zooming right there. So you must take note of these functions successfully while you are actually carrying out the the settings of this. So to get back to the visible view, you just have to come to these provisions, and then if you select 3rd of March, it take you just like this. Okay, so now at this point I want to also take it back to February, maybe February 29th right there. Okay, February 29th, after which you come over to the number of page. I only have for the page 1 right here. Okay, then I will have to set the orientations of the sheet to landscape orientations, after which we normally print this on A3 size paper. So I select A3 size paper successfully. Okay, so over here you can see that some part of the chart right there is hidden. So let us just make sure we use a March right there. Let's say 2nd of March. Okay, so this is very visible to view right now. So we can now proceed to plot it. Okay, so we are plotting it to PDF. So we have already selected right here. Click on the print option. So this will take me to the directory where I should save this work. So I just click in one right there, and then I'll save it right in my document and click on save right there. So this is it's created successfully. So you can see now printed in the PDF just like this. Okay, and the chart is quite very visible as well as the chart tags successfully at the bottom of the page. So with this, you just put this at the site. Every standard site do have these informations which help them to actually check the progress of works successfully. All right, so this is how to print this, okay, from Microsoft project successfully. Do well to subscribe and then stay tuned on this channel, Soft Freezing, as we bring more of useful content of this kind. Okay, so we stop here. Have a great day, and then bye for now.